Hello everyone, and a quick review on one of the stocks which is in my list since past many days. And now today there's a big news coming in the stock. The name of the stock is Praj Industries Limited. As you can see in front of your screen, the current market price of the stock is 191 rupees point 95 paise. So Praj Industries on Monday said it has bagged a order to set up a syrup-based ethanol plant from Godavari biorefineries in Karnataka. As a part of this project, Praj will expand the existing ethanol manufacturing capacity of Godavari biorefineries from 400 kiloliters per day to 600 kiloliters per day using sugarcane syrup. Praj Industries said in a regulatory filing. Praj Industries said when commissioning, this will become India's largest capacity syrup based ethanol plant. The company, however, did not share the financial details of the order received. So now there's a big news coming to us that the Praj has bagged a new order and it is going to set up a plant which is going to be the India's biggest plant for ethanol manufacturing. So now do we enter in the stock? So let's see some long-term charts of the stock as current market price is 191 rupees. So we come over here. So as we can see, this is the chart candlestick chart of Praj Industries Limited, and this is a monthly chart. See, since 2015, somewhere mid 2015, the stock was in a sideways zone till 2019. Then it tried to make an up move where it went till 166 rupees, and then there was a downfall. Then you can see this COVID, initial stages of COVID when it hit it in India, and the stock went down till 60 rupees. So this is a volatile stock, and it started to show a recovery. In recent days, like in month of February, when it came to my screen, the stock crossed its pre-COVID prices. Well, in fact, saying 2019 high prices, that is above 165, 170. So this was a zone where the stock showed a breakout on the charts, and now the till last Friday the stock made a closing about 200. That was 202 rupees somewhere. Today, as there's a lot of pressures in the market because of increasing COVID cases all over India and majorly in Maharashtra. So the stock has broken today and it has come down to 192 rupees. Now, is this the right level to buy? See, no one can find the right level to buy, but if you're an investor, I think you should keep on adding quantities to your portfolio of the stock which you would like to invest in. So when talking about this particular script, the current market price is 192 rupees. What should be your stop loss if you look as an investment perspective in the stock? The news is very big news. This news will obviously give a boost to the stock, but always you should have some your risk management. So what should be your stop loss? See, 192 is the current market price. 26 rupees from here is coming your ATR level, that is average true range level. And also you can see now this previous highs will act as a support to the stock. So what I would suggest is this candle, that is candle of March. What is the closing price? The close what is the open price was 166 rupees. So you can maintain a stop loss somewhere below 166 rupees, a stop loss somewhere below 166 rupees. Now what is important, what are the targets coming out of this stock? Let us use a Fibonacci retracement. So by deploying a Fibonacci retracement over here on the script, connecting the highs and low point, the very first immediate target on the stock, the very first immediate target on the stock is 247 rupees. And as we go further, we can get another level of targets. The next target is coming around 370 rupees. So let me remind you once again, the very first target in the stock, the very first target is 247 rupees. If it crosses 247 precisely, though Fibonacci is not catching it, but I would say 247, 250 is this level, that is the highest ever the stock has reached is 250 level. So 250 is going to be a very first resistance to the stock. Once you cross 250 precisely, the very next target in the stock is somewhere around 370 rupees. So guys, a very wonderful multi-bagger stock, but a strict stop loss should be maintained. As you can see, when there was a COVID crisis, when market fell badly, the stock went to the low of 88 rupees. So you should maintain a strict stop loss somewhere below 166 rupees. The very first target 245 to 250 rupees, and if it crosses 250 precisely with a good volume, I would say the next target is 370 rupees for the stock. So I would, I just thought I would give you a quick update on this stock, and also I would like to tell you the previous video of mine on JSW Energy, when the stock market price was when the stock price was 100 rupees, I made a video on it, and the stock price has come to 92 rupees now because of today's pressure in the market. But I'll tell you, this is the right time you can buy the stock, as the stop loss stands around 85, somewhere below 85 rupees. So if you buy it today, you have a less gap of losing it on your bet. So that's all from my side. If you like this video, if you like my updates, and if you what you feel about this stock, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know in comment section below what you think about this stock, so that we can have a more interaction. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and share this video as much as possible.